Wow. That Abundium workshop on exponential change in AI really got me thinking.
Yeah,
It's time to rethink business, in this crazy fast-changing world.
it is.
Everything's moving so quickly.
It really
The
is.
workshop really highlighted that it's not just these small improvements anymore.
Right.
It's tech that's doubling in power,
Yeah.
every few months.
Yeah, the hosts from OpenExO kept talking about this idea of like 10x thinking,
Yes.
aiming for results that are 10 times better,
Yeah.
faster and cheaper.
Than what
Yeah.
we think is normal.
Yeah.
Which is a pretty ambitious goal.
It is. It is.
But I guess that's the whole point of exponential organizations, right?
Right. Exactly. Yeah.
Thinking bigger and bolder
Yeah,
ever
me.
before.
Yeah, at OpenExO, they talked a lot about their framework for building these exponential organizations,
Yeah.
or exos.
So
Yeah, it's
that's right.
And it's all about leveraging technology, external resources, and innovative internal practices to achieve, these massive transformative purposes.
So can you unpack some of the key concepts from the workshop?
Sure.
Let's just start with the basics.
Yeah.
How do they even define exponential?
So they explained it using this idea of the 6 Ds.
6 Ds.
Yeah, so it's digitization, dematerialization, demonetization, democratization,
Okay.
disruption, and deceptive growth.
That's a lot.
Yeah, so basically what it is it describes how technology goes from being expensive and exclusive to being readily available and incredibly powerful and impacting all aspects of our lives.
Can you give me a real world example?
Sure.
Because it still sounds a bit abstract to me.
Yeah, so think about photography.
Okay.
Remember when cameras used film?
Oh, yeah.
You had to buy rolls of film, get them developed.
Yeah.
It was a whole process.
Yeah.
But now with digital cameras and smartphones,
Right.
photography has been digitized, dematerialized, and democratized. Yeah.
It's cheap, easy, and accessible to basically everyone.
Everyone, right.
Yeah.
And I guess that same pattern applies to AI too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So the workshop highlighted that AI is doubling in power every 2.5 months.
Okay.
And they even said that translates to a mind-boggling 140 trillion% increase.
140 trillion%.
Yeah.
In just 10 years.
In 10 years, yeah.
Okay, now you've officially blown my mind.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
So we have all this incredible technology, but how do we, as organizations, even harness this?
Right.
How do we avoid becoming dinosaurs in this rapidly evolving world?
Yeah, so that's where the EXO framework comes in.
Okay.
It's like a blueprint for building organizations that can thrive in this era of exponential change.
Right.
And they emphasize the importance of having a massive transformative purpose, or an MTP.
Yeah, the MTP, right? I remember that.
Yeah.
It's a bold statement that defines the problem your organization is trying to solve.
Right. Exactly. They gave that example of Google's MTP, right?
Yes.
Organize the world's information.
Exactly.
So simple, but so ambitious.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
And a strong MTP, it acts as a guiding star for the whole organization,
Right, right.
And OpenExO also talked about leveraging external resources and innovative internal practices.
Oh.
And they call these the scale and ideal attributes of an EXO.
The scale and ideal. Okay, can you break those down for me a little bit? Yeah.
So the scale attributes, they focus on the external elements.
Okay.
So think staff on demand, community and crowd, algorithms, leveraged assets, and engagement.
Right.
It's all about tapping into the power of the crowd.
Okay.
Leveraging existing technologies and platforms and engaging with your audience in new ways.
So instead of trying to do everything in-house, you're building a more flexible and scalable organization.
Exactly.
By tapping into these external resources.
Yes.
Okay, that's really interesting.
And then on the internal side, you have the ideal attributes.
Okay.
So interfaces, dashboards, experimentation, autonomy, and social technologies.
Right.
And it's about fostering a culture of experimentation, data-driven decision-making, and decentralized authority.
So it sounds like these EXOs are designed to be incredibly agile and adaptable.
Exactly. They need to be able to move quickly and respond to change in a way that traditional hierarchical organizations just can't.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm starting to get the picture here.
Okay.
But can you give me like a real-world example of an EXO in action?
Yeah.
Because I need something to help me like visualize how this all comes together.
Yeah, so they shared this incredible story of Guazi.
Guazi.
Yeah, it's a Chinese company that used AI and the EXO framework to completely disrupt the used car market.
The used car market.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me more about this.
Okay, so Guazi, they leveraged AI to analyze engine sounds to determine the value of a used car like instantly.
Wow.
Yeah, and this streamlined the whole buying and selling process, made it transparent and efficient.
Right.
And they also created a platform that connected buyers and sellers directly, cutting out the traditional middlemen.
So they democratized the used car market.
Exactly, and the results speak for themselves.
Okay.
Guazi captured 80% of the Chinese used car market.
80%?
In just 7.5 years.
In 7.5 years. That's the power of combining, these exponential technologies with innovative business models.
Yeah, that's a truly inspiring example.
Yeah, it's a good one.
I can already see the wheels turning in my head thinking about how I can apply some of these concepts to my own work.
That's great to hear.
Yeah, but, I have to admit, I learned a ton at the workshop, but I'm still...
Feeling a little overwhelmed by all the information?
I get it.
Yeah, so what's the best next step for someone who wants to start their own exponential journey?
Well, OpenExO actually offered a great solution during the workshop.
Okay.
They highly recommend booking a one-on-one consultation with their team.
With their team?
Yeah. They can help you assess your current situation, identify opportunities, and develop a customized roadmap for implementing the EXO framework.
Okay.
And leveraging AI in your specific context.
So having that personalized guidance can make all the difference,
It can.
And navigating this complex landscape.
Yeah. It's like having a Sherpa.
Yeah, sure.
To guide you up the exponential mountain.
I love that, the exponential mountain.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground already.
We have.
The 6 Ds of exponential change, the core principles of EXOS, the importance of personalized guidance.
Yeah.
Now I'm really curious to dive deeper into the world of generative AI. What are the specific tools and techniques that can help organizations achieve those 10x results?
That's a great question, and it's exactly where we'll pick up in the next part of our deep dive.
All right, looking forward to it.
So get ready to explore the fascinating world of generative AI.
Awesome.
Yeah. So picking up where we left off, let's dive into this exciting world of generative AI.
Yeah, I'm all ears.
Okay, good.
This workshop definitely sparked my curiosity about the possibilities of these tools. It feels like we're on the cusp of something truly transformative.
Yeah, you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
It's not just about automating tasks anymore. It's about unlocking entirely new ways of working and creating value.
The workshop hosts shared some pretty mind-blowing examples. I'm still wrapping my head around AI generating realistic images.
Yeah.
Writing compelling marketing copy, even composing music.
It is amazing.
It's crazy.
It is.
And the applications, they go way beyond creative pursuits too.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Right, like OpenExO highlighted how generative AI is revolutionizing fields like healthcare, finance, even manufacturing.
Absolutely, yeah.
So, okay, let's break it down a little bit.
Okay.
What are some specific ways organizations are using generative AI right now to achieve, those 10x results we talked about earlier?
So one area where generative AI is making a huge impact is content creation.
Content creation, okay.
Imagine having an AI assistant that can write blog posts, social media updates, even entire website pages.
Wow.
In a fraction of the time.
Yeah.
It would take a human.
That sounds like a dream come true for any marketing team out there.
It is, yeah.
But can AI really produce content that's engaging and effective?
So the quality of AI-generated content, it's improved dramatically in recent years. With the right tools and techniques, you can create content that's not just grammatically correct, but also creative, informative, and tailored to your specific audience.
That's impressive.
It is, yeah.
But, content creation is just one piece of the puzzle.
Right.
What about other areas of business?
Yeah.
How can generative AI help organizations streamline their operations and boost their bottom line?
So another exciting application is data analysis.
Data analysis, okay.
Generative AI can analyze like massive data sets,
Right.
identify patterns, and extract valuable insights that would be impossible for humans to uncover, manually.
So instead of spending hours poring over spreadsheets,
Right.
you can have AI do the heavy lifting.
Exactly.
And provide you with that actionable intelligence.
Exactly, yeah. And this can help organizations make better decisions, optimize their processes, and even predict future trends.
So OpenExO, they shared an example
Yes, it did.
of a company using generative AI to analyze customer data
right.
and personalize their marketing campaigns.
Exactly. And the results were phenomenal. Like a significant increase in conversion rates and customer satisfaction.
Wow. Okay. I'm definitely seeing the potential here.
Yeah, good.
But let's be realistic, right?
Yeah.
There must be some challenges and limitations to using generative AI.
Of course. Yeah. Every technology has its limitations.
Right.
One challenge is ensuring the accuracy and reliability of AI-generated outputs.
Right.
It's important to remember that AI is a tool.
Right.
And it's only as good as the data it's trained on and the instructions it's given.
So it's crucial to have high-quality data.
Yes.
And to carefully craft the prompts we give to these AI tools.
Yeah, right.
OpenExO, they emphasize the importance of prompt engineering.
Prompt engineering.
Yeah, the art of designing effective instructions that elicit the desired responses from AI.
Okay.
And they even introduced a framework called RACE.
RACE, okay. Tell me more about that.
Okay, so it stands for Role, Action, Context, and Execute.
It's a simple but powerful framework for crafting effective prompts.
Okay.
You start by defining the role of the AI.
Okay.
Then you specify the action you want it to perform, you provide the necessary context, and finally you instruct it to execute.
Okay, can you give me a concrete example
Sure.
of how I might use RACE-E to create a prompt for an AI tool?
Absolutely. So let's say you want to analyze your latest marketing campaign, right?
Okay.
Using an AI-powered data analysis tool, you could use RACE-E like this.
Right.
Role, you are a marketing analyst specializing in campaign performance evaluation.
Okay.
Action, analyze the attached data from our recent marketing campaign, focusing on key metrics like website traffic, lead generation, and conversion rates.
Okay.
Context, the campaign targeted small business owners in the technology industry.
Okay.
Our primary goal was to generate leads for our new software product.
Right.
Execute, identify the key factors that contributed to the campaign's success or failure, and provide recommendations for improvement.
Wow. That's incredibly specific.
It is, yeah.
It's like giving the AI like a detailed job description.
It is.
And clear instructions.
Exactly. The more specific and structured your prompts are, the better the results you'll get.
From your AI tools.
From your AI tools, exactly. It's all about providing the AI with the information it needs to understand your goals and deliver the insights you're looking for.
This is fascinating stuff. But I have to ask, with all this talk about AI taking over tasks that humans used to do,
right?
What does this mean for the future of work?
Right.
Are we all going to be replaced by robots?
That's the question on everyone's mind.
Right.
It's understandable to feel some apprehension.
Yeah.
But, remember, AI is a tool.
Right.
And like any tool, it can be used for good or bad.
Right.
It's up to us to decide how we leverage this technology and shape its impact on our lives and work.
So instead of fearing AI, we should be focusing on how we can collaborate with it.
Exactly.
To enhance our capability.
Exactly. OpenExO, they emphasize that the future of work is about augmentation.
Augmentation.
Not replacement.
Right.
AI can free us from these mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on higher level thinking, creativity, problem solving.
Those uniquely human skills.
Exactly, the ones that AI can't replicate.
Yeah, that's a reassuring perspective.
It is.
But it also means we need to adapt.
Oh, do.
And develop new skills to thrive in this AI-powered world.
Absolutely. The workshop emphasized the importance of embracing a lifelong learning mindset and developing AI literacy.
Yeah, literacy.
This involves understanding the basics of AI, its capabilities and limitations,
Yeah.
and how to effectively use AI tools.
So instead of resisting change,
Right.
we need to become AI native.
Exactly.
Not AI resistant.
Exactly. And that includes mastering skills like prompt engineering, data analysis, and critical thinking.
So AI is evolving rapidly.
It is.
Staying curious and adaptable is crucial.
Absolutely.
For navigating the future of work.
It is. It is.
Okay, so we've established that AI is a powerful tool.
Yes.
That can help organizations achieve incredible results.
It can.
But I'm curious.
Yeah.
How does this tie back into the EXO framework we talked about earlier?
Right.
How can organizations use AI to become more exponential?
That's a great question, and that's where we'll delve deeper in the next part of our conversation.
Okay.
Get ready to explore how AI can supercharge the scale and ideal attributes of an exponential organization.
Okay, so we've laid the groundwork. We've explored the power of AI, the EXO framework.
Right.
Now I'm really excited to see how these two concepts actually intertwine. How can AI supercharge those scale and ideal attributes to create truly exponential organizations?
It's like, adding rocket fuel to an already powerful engine.
Okay.
So let's start with the scale attributes, those external elements that help Exos achieve, rapid growth and scalability.
Okay, remind me what scale stands for again.
Yeah, so scale stands for staff on demand, community and crowd, algorithms, leveraged assets, and engagement.
Okay.
And AI can amplify each of these attributes in some pretty fascinating ways.
Okay, give me an example. How can AI impact staff on demand?
Okay, so think about the traditional hiring process.
Okay.
It's time-consuming, often inefficient, and prone to bias, right? AI can actually streamline this whole process by analyzing resumes, identifying top candidates, and even conducting those initial interviews.
So AI can help organizations find the right talent faster and more efficiently.
Exactly.
Even in a rapidly changing job market.
Yeah, and it doesn't stop there, AI can also personalize onboarding and training programs, ensuring that new hires, get up to speed quickly and contribute to the organization's success.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
What about community and crowd? How can AI leverage the power of the crowd?
So AI can help organizations build and manage these thriving online communities.
Okay.
Fostering engagement and gathering valuable insights from customers and partners.
Right.
Think about AI-powered chatbots.
Okay.
That can answer questions, resolve issues, and even personalize recommendations based on individual preferences.
So AI can help organizations scale their customer service and support even as their community grows exponentially.
Exactly. Yeah. And AI can also analyze social media data, identify trends, and even predict customer behavior, giving organizations a deeper understanding of their audience and how to best engage with them.
Okay, so I'm seeing how AI can really amplify the power of community and crowd.
Yes.
What about algorithms? We've already talked about data analysis, but what are some other ways AI can leverage algorithms to create a competitive advantage?
So AI-powered algorithms can optimize everything from marketing campaigns to logistics operations. Imagine an AI system that can dynamically adjust pricing based on real-time demand, optimize delivery routes to minimize costs and delivery times, or even personalize product recommendations based on individual browsing history.
It sounds like AI can help organizations make smarter, data-driven decisions across all aspects of their operations.
Exactly, and this data-driven approach is essential for navigating the complexity and rapid change that characterizes, the exponential landscape.
Okay, what about leveraged assets? How can AI help organizations make the most of their existing resources and infrastructure?
So AI can help organizations identify underutilized assets, optimize their usage, and even create new revenue streams from existing resources. Think about a company that uses AI to analyze sensor data from their manufacturing equipment, right? Identifying opportunities to improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and extend the lifespan of their assets.
So AI can help organizations squeeze more value out of their existing investments rather than always needing to acquire new resources.
Exactly, and this focus on efficiency and resource optimization it's crucial for achieving sustainable growth in an increasingly, resource-constrained world.
Okay, so we've covered 4 of the scale attributes.
Yeah.
What about engagement? How can AI help organizations build stronger relationships with their customers, partners, and employees?
AI can personalize communication, tailor content, and even create interactive experiences that foster, deeper engagement. Think about AI-powered chatbots that can provide personalized product recommendations, answer questions about company policies, or even offer, emotional support to employees going through a difficult time.
It sounds like AI can help organizations create a more human-centered approach to engagement, even as they scale rapidly.
Exactly. And this focus on building like these authentic connections is essential for creating, a thriving ecosystem of stakeholders who are invested in the organization's success.
Wow, we've really seen how AI can supercharge those scale attributes.
We have.
Now, I'm curious to explore how AI can enhance the ideal attributes, those internal practices that foster innovation and agility within an organization.
Okay, let's dive in.
Yeah.
Remember, IDEAL stands for interfaces, dashboards, experimentation, autonomy, and social technologies.
Okay, so let's start with interfaces. How can AI make interfaces more intuitive and user-friendly?
So AI can personalize interfaces,
Okay.
adapt to individual user preferences, and even anticipate user needs.
Okay.
Imagine an AI-powered dashboard
Yeah.
that automatically surfaces the most relevant information for each user
Yeah.
based on their role, their goals, and their past behavior.
So instead of being bombarded with information overload,
Right.
users can access exactly what they need
Yes.
when they need it.
Exactly. And this personalized approach can dramatically improve productivity and efficiency,
Right.
especially in these complex data-rich environments.
That makes sense. What about dashboards? How can AI enhance data visualization and decision making?
So AI can analyze, vast data sets, identify patterns, and present insights in these clear, visually compelling dashboards.
Okay.
These dashboards can provide real-time insights into key performance indicators, allowing organizations to track progress, identify potential issues, and make those data-driven decisions.
So AI can help organizations move beyond those static reports and spreadsheets.
Exactly.
Providing dynamic, interactive insights that drive action.
Exactly. And these AI-powered dashboards can also be customized to meet the specific needs of different teams and departments,
Yeah.
ensuring everyone has access to the information they need to make informed decisions.
Okay. I'm seeing how AI can really revolutionize the way organizations use data.
Yeah.
What about experimentation? How can AI foster a culture of experimentation and innovation?
AI can help organizations design and run experiments, analyze results, and identify, these promising new ideas.
Yeah.
Think about an AI system that can automatically A/B test different marketing messages, different website designs, or product features, identifying the most effective approaches.
So instead of relying on intuition or guesswork,
Right.
organizations can use AI to make those data-driven decisions about what works best.
Exactly. And this experimental approach is essential for staying ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving world.
Right. What about autonomy? How can AI support decentralized decision-making and empower individuals within an organization?
So AI can provide individuals with the information and insights they need to make decisions independently
Okay.
without needing to constantly seek approval from, higher ups.
Okay.
Imagine an AI-powered system that can analyze customer data, identify potential issues,
Right.
and recommend solutions,
Okay.
empowering frontline employees to resolve problems, quickly and efficiently.
So AI can help organizations, flatten hierarchies, distribute decision-making power,
Exactly.
and foster a more agile and responsive work environment.
Precisely. And this empowerment of individuals, it's essential for unlocking creativity, innovation, and a sense of ownership within an organization.
Okay, we're down to the last ideal attribute, social technologies.
Yeah.
How can AI enhance communication and collaboration within an organization?
AI can facilitate communication, translate languages, and even moderate online discussions.
Wow.
Fostering a more inclusive and connected workplace.
Okay.
Think about an AI-powered chatbot that can answer employee questions about company policies,
Right.
provide personalized training recommendations, or even facilitate team-building exercises.
So AI can help organizations break down silos, foster a sense of community,
Exactly.
and ensure everyone has access to the information and resources they need to succeed.
Exactly. And this focus on building, a strong internal community is essential for attracting and retaining top talent, especially in a competitive job market.
Wow, we've really gone deep on how AI can supercharge both the scale and ideal attributes of an EXO.
Yeah,
This has been an incredibly insightful exploration of how AI can transform organizations and help them thrive in this era of exponential change.
It has. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights with you.
Yeah.
And remember, the key takeaway here is that AI is not just a technology.
Right.
It's a catalyst for organizational transformation.
Okay.
By embracing AI and the EXO framework, organizations can achieve incredible results, unlock new possibilities, and create a future where technology empowers us to solve, the world's most pressing challenges.
Well said. This deep dive has been an incredible journey.
It has.
I'm feeling inspired to start applying these concepts to my own work.
Good.
Thanks for joining me on this exploration of exponential organizations and AI.
It's been a pleasure.
Until next time, stay curious, stay adaptable, and stay ahead of the curve.
And remember, the future is exponential.